Okay children, we were discussing that how Malala's father wanted to give quality education in Swat Valley. I told you Swat is a district in Pakistan. So the city is Mingora over there where they lived. So he wanted to give a quality education. What do you understand by quality education? Here education where which prepares you for the world, which gives you not only information what is written in the book, but prepares you to ask about and reach far more than what is there in the world. So a quality education which prepares you for the world which is in front of you, which asks you to present yourself in different ways. So that is called a good quality education. So what he wanted to give to the Swat people in his district, so that was his dream. Whose dream? Malala's father's dream. Okay, to live peacefully and to have democracy in our country, and also to live peacefully. So somewhere he wanted his people, everybody, through education to spread that peace is really very important to live. You can't live always with fear. You can't move your life is always with fear. That's what he wanted to teach through giving education in the valley, that for living peace is very important, and also to have a democracy in our country. You understand, no? Our India is a democratic country where what does democracy means to us? For the people, by the people and of the people. So a government which is made by us, we choose it. For whom? For us. Why? It works for us. Yes or no? So it is by us, for us, and who are the government? Nothing. We, among someone, us, among us, we choose our representative. They are just our representative. They do what it's good for us. So that's what democracy means. So we all know how it is over there where terrorism has spread a lot, and we can find in that place it was more. So somewhere he wanted it to develop his place through giving quality education. Understand children? So that was his aim. So you can understand from where Malala has got that courage, because his father's thought. So she has been brought up in such an atmosphere where she listened even her father speaking the same things. Okay, that's why his father supported her. Okay, in Swat he had achieved respect and status in society through his activities. So whatever the activities he did in Swat Valley, nothing but in Swat district, he had achieved success and respect, a dignity, a position he had achieved from people. For what was his, whatever he thought about people, what were his thinking about human beings, it was all respected by the people who lived there. So in that way he was a very respectable person where in Swat. Okay, he never imagined living abroad, and he gets upset when people suggest we wanted to come to the UK. So actually unfortunately he has to leave his country. He has no other option to save his family, to save his children. He had to migrate from that place, but or else no one would like to shift the place where they have been born, where they are really settled, and where their dreams came true. He had achieved whatever he dreamt when he was a child, whatever he wanted to. He had made a status, he had made a position. So whenever he never thought that I will live in a place where somewhere else. Always whatever he wanted he achieved over there. So he never wanted to come to UK. So whenever people, when he talks with his relatives or persons, known person in Pakistan, so everyone says even we wanted to come to UK. So he's not happy. Why you wanted to leave your own place? So you can say he's a person who want to change, who doesn't want to run away, but who doesn't want to himself. He wanted everyone's well-being. He wanted everybody to live well. You can, from that you can know what kind of a person her father was. So how Malala got these thoughts of like everybody should be in a good in a good way in a society. So here he never felt, whenever anyone said that even we wanted to come to UK from his his previous place in Pakistan, he never felt good about that. A person who has 18 years of education, a nice life, a family, you throw him out just as you throw a fish out of water. So it was really very, very hard to accept a person. He has 18 years of education, where in his place, in his own place, in his own city. Okay, and what did he do? A nice life, a good happy family, whatever he's dreamt, he has fulfilled. He had, he is educating people over there, having a good school with good number of teachers, good children. And also after that something happens, people just throw him out like you throw a fish out of water. You can understand how important for fish water is. The same way for his father, the comparison she makes, you see, for her father the place and the people and the work he was doing was really very important. So when immediately he has to come out of that forcefully, he never wanted to, because of some condition he has to. So it was really very hard for him to accept. For speaking up for girls' education, that and what was wrong for him to stay over there? Why he cannot? Only he spoke for child's education, that each and every girl has the equal rights as anybody to get educated. So he spoke, he stood in favor of the girls. So he was supporting the girl child's education. That why he has thrown, you can say here, made them out of that place, Pakistan. Often over meals we talk about home and try to remember things. We miss everything, even the smelly stream. Already some of the things from Swat seem like stories from a distant place, like somewhere I have read about. She says, like often, that means regularly. Over meals means when they sit for together for food, they talk about their place of Swat Valley, Pakistan, Mingora city, how it was, how were the things over there, so how they have enjoyed over there. So they just think and they try to remember things. We miss everything, even the smelly trees, streams. Even the smelly streams are nothing but the drainage lines. Even that that thing, no one would like that. But they say no. When it is our motherland, when it is our place, we like each and everything. Yes or no? If someone says your place is not good, we won't believe, because that is our place. We are born there. We have lot many memories. So kind of attachment you get in that place. So same happen. So they talk, they miss the place, so they remember the things what they have done in the place over there. So here already some of the things from Swat seem like stories from a distant place, but still after when she remembers, they talk as if it is a story somewhere we have read, because she don't find any connection with that place. Yes or no? Suppose you haven't gone to your place, suppose you are living in a city and you haven't gone to your village for many years. How would you feel? Will you feel that place like yours? As whatever you have done before, if you remember, as if you are reading like a story, somewhere it happened. It was even when they hear about Swat Valley, when they hear about the Mingora city, if anything in news about that, they feel as if somewhere it happened. They don't get connection with that. Like somewhere I have read about, some place I read it, because there no connection with those things or those people or those places. So they feel like that, unwanted. My father spends much of his time going to conferences on education. Children, we'll continue this paragraph in our next video.